For example number 4, we have a sub 1 equals 7. And then we have a n plus 1, a sub n plus 1 equals 2 minus a sub n for n greater than or equal to 1. Ito, kakaibang sequence to. Wala kang nth term. Ang tawag dito ay sequences described recursively. Meron kang first few terms na given na, pwedeng a sub 1, a sub 2, kung ano man terms yung binigay na niya. And then, you'll have this one. We call this the recursion equation. Since we're tasked to get the first 4 terms, so kung natin a sub, meron tayong a sub 1, which is 7. Para makuha si a sub 2, gawin natin, let n equals a sub 1. Kasi kailangan gamitin natin yung mga nabigay na term sa simula para makuha mo yung next term. Ayun yung ibig sabihin ng sequences described recursively. Gamitin mo yung mga first few terms, substitute mo dun sa recursion equation para makuha mo yung mga succeeding terms. So for this case, if we let n equals 1, this will become a, so burahin ko muna tong a sub 2. Burahin ko a sub 2. And then, if we let n equals 1, this will become a sub 1 plus 1 equals 2 minus a sub 1. So, if we simplify this, we'll have a sub 2, which is our second term, is equal to 2 minus a sub 1 is already given, which is 7. So, therefore, a sub 2 equals 2 minus 7, negative 5. To get a sub 3, we'll let n equals 2. So, from the recursion equation, we'll have a sub 2 plus 1 equals 2 minus, this case, ang n natin ay 2, a sub 2. And this will become a sub 3, third term, 2 minus, we already have this, a sub 2 is negative 5. So, you'll have 2 minus negative 5. So, we'll have 2 plus 5, which is 7. So, our third term is 7. To get a sub 4, we let n equals 3. So, we'll have a sub 3 plus 1 equals 2 minus a sub 3. And we'll get a sub 4 equals 2 minus a sub 3 is 7. So, therefore, a sub 4 is negative 5. So, in short, our first 4 terms are 7, negative 5, 7, minus 5. Okay, let's have example number 5. We have f sub 0 equals 1. Your recursion equation is f sub n equals n times f sub n minus 1 for n greater than or equal to 1. Ibig sabihin, mag-start tayo sa 1. N equals 1. And then, 2, 3, 4. So, for n equals 1, let's substitute. We'll have f sub 1 equals 1 times f sub 1 minus 1 will give us 1 times f sub 0. And we'll already have your f sub 0, which is 1. So, we'll get 1 times 1. Therefore, f sub 1 is 1. For n equals 2, f of 2 equals 2 times f sub 2 minus 1. This is equivalent to 2 times f sub 2 minus 1 is f sub 1. Your f sub 1 is already 1. So, 2 times 1, which is 2. For n equals 3, we'll get f sub 3 equals 3 times f sub 3 minus 1. And this is equivalent to 3 times f sub 2. And again, meron na tayong f sub 2, which is 2. So, f sub 3 is equal to 3 times 2, 6. Lastly, let's have n equals 4. So, f sub 4 equals 4 times f sub 4 minus 1. This is equivalent to 4 times f. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 times f sub 3, which is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And our sequence, first 4 terms, 1, 2, 6, 24. Yan. Alam nyo ba, itong formula na to, yung recursion formula na yan, equal yan sa n factorial. Ang n factorial, equivalent yan sa n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times hanggang sa umabot siya sa 3 times 2 times 1. Madalas ginagamit yung factorial sa probability tsaka sa counting techniques. For example, if you're going to get 3 factorial, ibig sabihin nun, yung ny3, so that's 3, and then 3 minus 1, which is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so 3 times 2 times 1, 6. So, pag n equals 3, that value is 6. Let's try 4. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1, 24. So, n equals 4, 24. So, it's equivalent to n factorial. For number 6, so bigay ko sa inyo to, f sub 0 equals 1, f sub 1 equals 1, parehas 1. Your recursion formula is f sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. So sa 2 ka mag-start. So you'll compute for n equals 2, n equals 3, n equals 4, n equals 5. Kaso first 4 terms na yung kailangan natin, no? Meron na tayong first term. Ito may f sub 0 kasi kailangan lang sa formula. May 1 ka na. So basically hanggang 4 ka lang pala magko-compute. So, iwan ako na sa inyo to. Kayo na lang yung mag-compute. Comment nyo sa comment section yung sagot ninyo. If you have any questions, comment nyo lang din doon. Okay.